Starters orders, they're off and racing, missing a couple of lengths at the start with two runners. That's Golden Nadara, Awesome Show, along with Sweet Story. Back to the leader now, and Time Is Luck has won the start. Leads well by about 2 lengths, crossing the 1,000 by about a length and a half in front of Casual in a Hurry, followed by Sunday Carnival. 2 lengths behind, settling into 4th is Safarina, followed by Sweet Story, running 1 deep, Golden Nadara. 3 lengths behind is Sensational Girl, joined on the outside by Awesome Show. And back to the leader now, and Time Is Luck leading by about half in front of Casual in pursuit. 2 away, Sunday Carnival being pushed as they start to negotiate the turn, crossing the 600. Running 1 deep is Sweet Story. They followed then by on the outside is Golden Adara, followed by Safarina. 3 to 4 lengths behind Sensational Girl and Awesome Show. Inside the last 2 furlong, Time Is Luck on a start to finish attempt. 2.5 to 3 lengths in front of Casual, ridden hard. So too is Sweet Story, close to the fence. Sunday Carnival now picking up momentum. They followed then by Safarina, Golden Adara. Inside the last furlong, 4-way finish with Sunday Carnival in the center, takes the charge by about 3 parts in front of Casual, hard and so too is Sweet Story, followed by Time Is Luck. But inside the last 75, Sunday Carnival to the wire. Sunday Carnival has won it, beating Sweet Story and Casual, followed by Time Is Luck, Safarina. They followed then by Sensational Girl, Golden Adara, and last to pull up is Awesome Show. Number 7, ridden by Akshay Kumar, a 12 to 1 short. Sunday Carnival.